This Miele washing machine makes laundry an effortless task, keeping hassle to a minimum and saving time. It lets you power through the whole family's washing, making light work of everyone's laundry by allowing you to get more done in one go with an 8 kilogram capacity. As well as giving you plenty of room, the drum also cares for your clothes by preventing snagging with a handy honeycomb design. Enjoy perfect results that can be effortlessly achieved no matter what you're washing, with specific washes to suit your needs using 12 wash programs. Tailor every cycle to suit the load, with the use of portioned capsules to suit specific materials thanks to cap dosing technology.